How to change domain name on Shopify. So I have just logged into Shopify, and if we want to change the domain name, we will simply click on settings at the bottom here from the left hand side, and then we want to scroll down until we see the option for domains. So just click on it. So right here we will be taken to the domains page, so we can either buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. If we choose to connect an existing domain, it's going to ask us for the domain itself, and it will give us an example here. So we can do nethelp.com, and then we can just click on next here if we want to add it, and we can or we also have to verify the connection here. So if we want to change the domain name, that's how you do it. You connect to an existing domain here, or we can buy a new domain. So if we just search for a domain here, it will show us if it's available or not, and we can buy it, or it can also give us some suggestions here, so you can see the price, how much it costs for this domain name, and basically that's how you do it. And here we can change to a new My Shopify domain name. So if we want to change this right here, then we can do nethelp, for example, and it will tell me that it already exists, but basically I would just do this, and we can click add domain. And now, as you can see, nethelp.shopify.com. So I've just changed the domain name. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.